I see some of the new birds I was talking about, these new bird like ducks. I just want to check out if they want some bread. Oh, let me try that again. Hey, they like it. This one has an injured ankle. Let me get him. That was rude. Hey, that was look like bread. Let me try again on the big one. Oh, that new bird looks like likes that bread. Oh, there's. Whoa, they made that sound. Those new birds look like those new birds like they're like bread too. And these are the ordinary ducks. These are new type of ducks and a new type of like feathered birds right there. Here are some pigeons right there and a white duck. Here's a here's a goose and here's some new type of birds that came here. I don't know what they called. Guys, let me know in the comments below what kind of birds they are, what they called. Because these are new around here. And they like bread as well. I tried to get them bread last time, but they didn't want it. But now they do. Whoa, they love their bread. Wait, let me get this one. This one has a sprained ankle. Let me give him some bread. Here you are, you little guy. Now he's alright. Now he's got it. Alright, he's got it. Good. So, so you guys, that's my encounters with a new bird and trying new bread. So, guys, hope you like this video. So subscribe, ring the lights, leave the comments down below. Down below, if you get a big thumbs up and ring the bell. And see you guys next time. Bye.